Close your eyes for a moment and imagine it's the year 2100. What did you eat for breakfast? What do you see when you turn on the news? What do you hope the future will look like? We all have unique hopes and dreams for the future, but what golden threads might connect together all of our visions of a desirable future? Let me introduce you to the SSHRC-funded Solving-FCB project, solving the sustainability challenges at the Food-Climate-Biodiversity Nexus. This is a 6-year partnership amongst researchers, governmental and non-governmental organizations dedicated to addressing 3 pressing and interconnected issues: food security, climate change, and biodiversity, or FCB. Solving-FCB explores pathways that will lead us to desirable futures in which food security, climate mitigation, and biodiversity conservation goals will be met simultaneously. We all need to eat, after all. As the global population continues to grow, with a projected increase of 2.2 billion by 2050, we face an enormous challenge. How do we feed the world sustainably and equitably? Hundreds of millions of people around the world still experience hunger and malnourishment. At the same time, natural resource extraction, fossil fuel emissions, and waste production cause stress on the environment and threaten Earth's ability to sustain life. Because food, climate, and biodiversity issues are intertwined, they are tricky to address separately. Solving-FCB considers the interconnectedness of FCB issues and solutions, which also vary enormously from place to place. That's why the project is split into 5 case studies that capture the complexity and diversity of social and ecological contexts. In British Columbia, Canada, research with First Nations will explore how seafood systems can be adapted for climate-resilient nutritional security. In China, the case study will examine food, climate, and biodiversity benefits of farmed seaweeds and shellfish. Researchers in Costa Rica will help restore coastal small-scale fisheries in the Gulf of Nicoya, which has become contaminated from land-based pollutants. The case study in Ghana and Nigeria will research the social and ecological benefits of resolving illegal, unregulated, and unreported fishing in the Gulf of Guinea. Finally, research in the Netherlands aims to develop sustainable agriculture and resilient food systems that minimize environmental impacts while maximizing benefits to nature and people. At the heart of each of these case studies is the goal to develop transformative solutions for sustainable food production, climate mitigation and adaptation, and biodiversity conservation. Altogether, the Solving-FCB Partnership seeks to weave together diverse knowledge systems, values, and visions to build a bright future for ecosystems and people.